The following message is transmitted at the request of the Grand Chute Police Department. Local law enforcement agencies continue to look for Desmond Vielas. Desmond Vielas is a black male. Date of birth is June 10, 2003. Ellis has black hair, brown eyes, and black facial hair. Clothing description is currently unknown at this time. Investigators believe Ellis is armed and dangerous. If you have any information about the incident or where Ellis can be found, investigators ask that you immediately contact Grand Chute Police by calling the department at 920-832-1575.